2015 C300 w205. This car has been kicking my butt for a decent amount of time. So no crank, no start. It says service, C owner's manual on the dash. The key does turn in the car, and the push button does turn the ignition on. So I do get ignition. No communication PCM, no communication TCM, and the other drivetrain control modules pretty much not communicating. If I add power to the PCM to pin 16, I can get a VIN, but it's not pulling off the PCM. So the first thing you're going to do is check PCM. And PCM, it's raining out now. Of course, I found it, and it's going to start raining. But the first thing we're going to do, if you're having this issue when you've been pulling your hair out, is you're going to check, if you checked all your fuses and stuff, obviously you did your due diligence on the other stuff. And you're going to come to your PCM. This was bought as a used car. You can check power to here. This should be pin 16. This should have always power. This should be hot at all times. If you do not have power to there, you're going to come to your passenger side. You are going to check. I have this apart, so your fuse panel is in the kick panel right here. But you're going to check this little guy. Hold on 1 second. I'm sorry. You're going to check this little guy, pin 5 amp. You're going to check these. Check these little guys. If they are working, you're going to take the cover off. There's a cover right here, a couple 10 millimeters. And you take your drivetrain control module. I'm going to let you get your hand back there and unplug it. And you're going to take that drivetrain control module plug. And you're going to check for power to pins 2 and 3. It says that they are spliced together. I mean, they got different color traces, wires. That's what the diagram says. I mean, it's neither here nor there. I don't got power to neither of these. So I powered up the PCM. The car would still not start. I would still get the same error message. So I started deciding, like, I'm going to have to start cutting this harness open. I knew I didn't have power to the PCM. I knew I didn't have power to the drivetrain control module. So using some common sense, I figured my brake is going to be more down here than up there. Because if it was up there, I should have only lost that. So as I started cutting the loom off, I don't know if you can see it right here. Look at that. You see that? Yeah. And you see these wires? Look at this. And that is, look at that. White. I mean, I'm sure there's one. Look at that. See? I'm actually pulling on the connector. So, I mean, I'm going to have to, I don't know if there's more wires broken. There probably is. But, I mean, this car, I really don't post videos, as you can see. But this car really, really gave me a hard time. And usually I don't have a hard time like this. So I figured if anybody is pulling their hair out, I can maybe lend a hand.